everyone, it's Carol from Feel at Home Interior Design, and I'm here with another great decorating question. Today's question is, why isn't my paint color looking the same as it did at the store? I'm going to let you know why that's probably happening, but also give you some tips on how to be more confident in the color that you're choosing. So let's get started.
Picture yourself at the paint store and you fall in love with this beautiful blue color. You order 2 gallons of paint and then run home and paint the entire room in this blue color, and you stand back and realize that it doesn't look the same as it did in the store. It looks maybe more yellow, or maybe it has more bluish tones to it. And why is this happening? Well, what's happening is that the lighting at the paint store is different than it is at your home. And light affects how color looks. So to give you an example of how light affects color, I started out with this deep bluish red, and I put it under different lighting conditions. And on the left side, I put it under a more yellowy, warm, incandescent light. And then on the right, I put it under a more fluorescent, cooler light. And as you can see, depending on the light conditions, the color changes. So when you're at the paint store, think of selecting that paint color as kind of the first step to deciding if that color is going to look great in your home. One of the easiest things to do to see how the paint color is going to look in your house is just to test it first. And that means just buying a quart-sized can of the paint color and then painting small areas of the color on the wall. And living with that, a day or two. And just noticing how the light changes throughout the day, and especially at night when you turn on your lights. And when you do this is going to save you a lot of time and money and just help you with your goal of really kind of seeing how that paint color is going to look in your home. So the next time when you're looking for a paint color, just buy a small can of paint and paint a small section of the room. And then that way you'll be more confident of how that will look and feel when you paint the entire room. Do you have any suggestions for future videos? Let me know in the comments.